Okay, welcome back for another little tutorial in Word. And this time we're going to look at a tool called Quick Parts. Quick Parts are found on your Insert tab in Word. So you can see here I am on the Insert tab. I am looking all the way over here at my text group where you will see the Quick Parts drop down. And if I click on it, you can see I will have auto text with some pre-built things, document properties. I will be able to add fields, go into my building block organizer. The one thing that I currently do not have access to is save the selection to the quick part gallery. Now, when this is created, a quick part is a block of text that I'm going to use repeatedly. So I can come to the quick parts and click on it to insert that whole block instead of having to retype or copy and paste from one document to the next. So to start with, I'm going to go ahead and use my little page width zoom button that I have added to my quick access toolbar. Clicking on that, I can now see this is going to be a little bit easier to read what I'm doing, read what I'm typing. So I'm going to just start by creating the opening of a letter, something simple. So I'll have my name and the address. And I'm also going to want to put in the date. Now for the date, what I am going to use is an automatic date so that it'll always be current and I never have to consider or worry about what is the correct date when I use my quick part. So to insert that date, again, I'm going to stay here on my Insert tab. I'm going to come into the text group where I will find a date and time button. Clicking on that, I'm going to see all these different formats that I can choose from. I'm going to choose the one that I find most appropriate, and then I'm going to make sure that my little update automatically is checked and click OK. Enter to come down a few lines, and I'm going to start with the word dear, and I'm going to throw in a space. Once I've created this piece of text that I intend to use many, many times, it is now ready to be selected and saved to the QuickPart gallery. So the easiest way to select all of this text would be a quick Control A. As you can see, everything is highlighted. Now I can go over to the Quick Parts drop-down and see that the Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery is now available. So I can give that a quick click. I can name this. I'm going to leave everything as is for the moment, but you can put names that are descriptive and helpful. Um, for now, I'm just going to click OK. Now I'm going to close this current document. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Control W. It's going to ask me if I want to save this. I don't want to save anything on that. And I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Control N to create a new blank file. Now it's time for me to write my letter or to use my quick part. So I'm going to go to the Insert tab. Again, look over here for my quick parts dropdown. And this time you can see my quick part is ready and waiting, and I click on it and I'm ready to roll. It just drops all that text into play very, very quickly. You can create as many of these quick parts as you need and store them in the system. When you close Word, you will be prompted if you would like to save the changes to the building blocks. And you would want to say yes to that question so that you have these building blocks for all future use. Now, I don't like having to jump back and forth across my ribbon, so I would prefer to actually take something that I use on a regular basis and add it to my quick access toolbar. So since I'm going to use quick parts now, hopefully more often, I'm going to right click on that dropdown and I'm going to choose to add this to my quick access toolbar. Now I can always, from any place, be able to just click on that dropdown and have access to my quick parts, sorry, without having to go through any extra navigation through my interface. Thank you for your time and have a great day.